What if I told you most people stay broke not because they don't earn enough, but because of their daily habits? Two people can earn the exact same salary. One becomes financially free, the other stays trapped paycheck to paycheck for life. And the difference? Habits. Today, we'll break down the biggest differences between rich and poor habits, from money management to mindset to how successful people spend their time. And trust me, some of these habits are silently destroying millions of Americans right now. So, before you spend another dollar, watch this video till the end. Because one habit on this list could literally change your financial future. Let's start with the biggest difference. Poor people buy things to look rich. Rich people buy things that make them rich. A poor mindset says, I need the newest iPhone, luxury clothes, expensive car. A rich mindset says, how can this money make me more money? For example, a poor person gets a tax refund and buys sneakers. A rich person invests it into stocks, real estate, a business skills, side hustles. That's why many millionaires look normal, while many broke people look rich on Instagram. Because wealthy people understand one simple rule. If it doesn't put money in your pocket, think twice before buying it. Here's something brutal. Most people waste over 5 hours daily. Scrolling TikTok, watching random videos, gossiping, complaining. Meanwhile, successful people are learning, building networking, creating income streams. Rich people know time is more valuable than money because you can always make more money, but you can never get more time. Look at billionaires. They protect their time aggressively. That's why Warren Buffett reads for hours daily. That's why Elon Musk schedules almost every minute. And most average people, they spend entire weekends doing absolutely nothing productive. Ask yourself honestly, are your daily habits building your future or destroying it? Average Americans today are drowning in credit card debt, car payments, buy now, pay later loans. And companies love this because consumerism keeps people trapped. Rich people understand money should grow. Poor habits focus on instant pleasure, fast dopamine, emotional shopping. Rich habits focus on long-term wealth, compound growth, delayed gratification. Even investing just $300 monthly into the S&P 500 for years can grow massively over time. That's the power of compound interest. The wealthy don't work only for money. They make money work for them. Most poor people stop learning after school. Rich people never stop learning. Millionaires read books, they study finance, they learn business, they improve communication skills because knowledge increases income. Think about it. The more valuable your skills become, the more money you can earn. That's why high-income skills are exploding right now. Sales, AI marketing, coding, content creation. Meanwhile, many people spend years watching entertainment instead of learning something valuable. Your income often reflects your level of knowledge. And in 2026, people who refuse to learn new skills are getting left behind. Fast. Poor habits avoid all risk. Rich habits understand calculated risk is necessary. Now listen carefully. This doesn't mean gambling. It means starting a business, investing wisely, changing careers, building multiple income streams. Most people stay stuck because they fear failure. But wealthy people know the biggest risk today is staying comfortable forever. Technology is changing everything. AI is replacing jobs. Inflation keeps rising. And depending on only one paycheck today is dangerous. Rich people prepare, poor people delay. Your environment matters more than you think. If everyone around you complains, avoids responsibility, hates success, wastes money, eventually you'll become like them. Rich people surround themselves with ambitious people, mentors, entrepreneurs, investors, because opportunities come through people. Sometimes one connection can completely change your life. That's why successful people attend events, business meetups, conferences, networking groups. Meanwhile, average people say, I don't need anyone. But relationships create wealth, not isolation. This one is huge. Poor habits are emotional. Rich habits are strategic. Poor people panic, sell investments, overspend when stressed, make emotional decisions. Rich people stay calm, especially during economic crashes. When markets fall, average people panic. Smart investors buy opportunities because emotions destroy wealth. Discipline creates wealth. This is why financial success is often more psychological than mathematical. If you can control your emotions, you're already ahead of most people. Most poor people rely on one source of income. That's risky. Wealthy people build multiple income streams, investments, businesses, rental income, side hustles, dividends, digital products, because if one income stops, others continue. And today, it's easier than ever to create extra income online. People are making money through YouTube, TikTok freelancing, affiliate marketing, AI services. The internet created opportunities previous generations never had, but most people still spend more time consuming content than creating it. That's the difference. Consumers stay broke. Creators build wealth. At the end of the day, being rich isn't only about money, it's about habits. Small daily decisions repeated for years create your financial future. Nobody becomes wealthy overnight, but every millionaire started with better habits, better decisions, better discipline. And the scary truth is, most people already know what they should do. They just don't do it consistently. So ask yourself today, which habits are keeping you broke? And which habits could completely change your life if you started today? Because your future income depends on your current habits. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more finance and wealth building content. And comment below, which rich habit are you going to start first? See you in the next video.